Your Amazon Fire TV uses LED lights to communicate its status. These small indicators can help you quickly diagnose what's happening with your device. The LED light on your Fire TV remote and device shows different colors to indicate various states. Let's examine what each color means. A pulsing white light means your Fire TV is powering on or searching for the remote. If you see this, try repairing your remote by holding the home button. Orange or yellow light indicates the remote has lost connection and is in discovery mode, searching for a device to connect to. A slow blinking red light on the remote signals low battery. Time to replace those batteries. A fast blinking red light indicates a problem with the remote itself, suggesting it may need to be reset. Fire TV Omni Series devices have additional LED indicators. Cyan means the device is listening, blue indicates system alerts, and red shows the microphone is turned off. Your Fire TV remote has a special troubleshooting mode. Press and hold the rewind and right buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. Then press the menu button. The LED will turn green, indicating troubleshooting mode is active. Now, holding any button will display a light color that indicates what specific issue the remote is experiencing. Understanding these LED indicators helps you quickly identify and resolve common Fire TV issues without guesswork. When your Fire TV won't turn on, start with the basics. First, ensure your device is plugged into a working power outlet using the original power cord and adapter that came with your Fire TV. Try unplugging the Fire TV device completely and plugging it back in to force a reboot. This simple power cycle can resolve many startup issues. For connection problems, try different HDMI ports on your TV. If you're using an HDMI adapter or extender, connect the Fire TV stick directly to your television instead. If you see a blank screen, unplug the Fire TV stick and plug it back in. Make sure your TV is set to the correct HDMI input where your Fire TV is connected. If your Fire TV is stuck on the logo screen, unplug it from both the television and power source. Then reconnect everything. Allow up to 25 minutes for the device to fully boot up. When your remote stops working, first replace the batteries and make sure you're within 10 feet of the Fire TV device. You can restart the Fire TV or repair the remote through settings. You can also use the Fire TV app on your smartphone as a backup remote while troubleshooting your physical remote. For Wi-Fi connection problems, restart both your Fire TV device and your router. Check the network status in settings and verify you've entered the correct Wi-Fi password. Always ensure your Fire TV has adequate ventilation to prevent overheating. Keep the device away from heat sources and make sure air can flow around it freely.